and it's going to reach on October 11 the asteroid Vesta. Now Vesta orbits between Mars and Jupiter, and in the manner I deal with astrology, I consider that it represents balance and harmony. So Vesta is going to be triggered by the transit of the moon, but there is a discordance here with Pluto, and another one with, not Pluto, sorry, with the North Lunar Node, and with the South one as well. The challenge will be to decide which way you want to go. If you want to preserve balance and harmony, you may be tempted to not go anywhere, to respect the status quo. But at the same time, even though you may preserve some sort of harmony and balance on that day, which is 11th again, and it's 2 in the morning, you may find that you are not perhaps right. You're not right to abandon a certain manner of dealing with the situation. You're not right to decide to move away from it and reach for something better in your life, or hopefully something better, because there is apparently no guarantee that you'll obtain what you hope to obtain. So perhaps the best solution is to stay put, and see what happens. But something will happen for sure, except that you're not going to be the one that decides. And the moon is also forming a square with the lunar nodes on either side of the zodiac. So luckily it's in harmony with the sun, which is going to give you a boost of life force, vitality. And because the sun transits in Libra, it is linked to Vesta. So maybe that will help you. But you'll need, because the sun represents light, and it is light, you need to shed light on that north and south side of your life. The south one, you want perhaps to forget about it, or at least move away from it. And the north one tends to call you, but it's a timid call. So you may not even hear it. And if you don't hear it, you'll probably decide to stay put and keep on going the way you've been going for a while.